tirer les missiles hors de portée. Denver et moi, on les pulvérisera. Ils sont vraiment proches de la Terre. On n'a pas...
Unfortunately, Tony's right. We've got one chance to save the planet.
Well, we made it to Walt Disney Studios.
Welcome to Walt Disney Studios Park, Paris. Okay, out of the two Paris parks, I was most excited to visit this park, as there are so many rides, themes, and lands that cannot be found at any other Disney park. And in this video, we will take you along the journey to see them. First things first, the entrance of this park is so amazing. It truly brings the excitement of visiting a Disney park. And look, there's Goofy in his Hollywood outfit. So cute. See what I mean by the entrance? I was so amazed and excited to walk through this. And as you can see to my left and my right, there are tons of shops and restaurants in it. So definitely don't miss out on this area. To begin our studio's journey, we are heading to the Avengers Campus. Disney truly did an outstanding job on this area, and it makes you feel like you're in the Avengers universe. And I'll let it be a surprise on what ride we will be riding first. Hint, it's one of Disney Paris's most sought after rides. How do I put it to my face again? How do I put it? Coming up is Pim's Kitchen, a restaurant that can only be found at the Avengers Campus. I really wanted to eat here, but we are so busy that we never got a chance to come back during lunchtime. The menu, as you can see, looks so tasty, and I've heard so many good things about not only the taste, but as well as the display of the food. And here we are at Avengers Assemble Flight Force, the first ride of the day and my favorite of the day. Now the theming of this ride, including the lineup, is outstanding and holds one of the most amazing Disney animatronics.
And sudden drops at high velocities. For your safety, you should be in good health.
Flight Force. Votre mission, piloter ces véhicules et détourner les missiles de la Terre.
Right. You'll be joining us on the mission. Tony's built a transponder that the missile's targeting system will lock onto. He's loaded the transponders into his hypersonic vehicles, so no pressure.
Tout le monde a foutu le camp? Alors notre départ. En avant. Allez, sauvez le monde.
How was it?
Good. As you can see by my reaction, the ride took my breath away. Yes, it is basically rock and roller coaster, But like I said earlier, the theming truly makes the ride. And in my opinion, I thought it was faster.
Here we are entering Pixar Land, starting with Toy Story. This land shrinks you right down to a toy size and offers a bunch of rides that brings the kid out in you. While we are walking around Pixar Land, let's go over our pros and cons of Paris Disney. Paris Disney offers a lot of unique spin-offs on classic Disney rides, such as the Phantom Manor, Avengers Assemble, and Hyperspace Mountain. It also offers new rides such as Crush's Coaster. All of these rides are displayed throughout our Paris Disney 3-part series. Paris Disney also has different themes and restaurants that cannot be found at another park. Bistro Chez Remy and the Ratatouille Land is just one example, which is up next.
Now, on to our cons. I was disappointed to see that Paris Disney did not have a lot of merchandise dedicated to the park or to the rides. I found that 99% of the rides did not have a themed store or themed merchandise. I also found that a lot of the Disney stores lacked Disney Paris items. And to my surprise, the stores offered a lot of Disney World items or characters that had nothing to do with the park. A tip is to go to Disneyland Paris store, located in the shopping center of Paris, which seemed to offer a lot more Disney Euro or Paris related stuff. But I do think the pros outweigh the cons, and Disney Paris should be on any Disney lover's bucket list. Oh, and they are updating the park, which we will show the new features at the end.
We are now entering a miniature version of Paris located in Disney Paris. Welcome to the world of Ratatouille. Here is Bistro Chez Remy. We tried to get into the restaurant, however, like any other Disney restaurant, the bookings need to be made months in advance. I believe they said that the bookings for that day were made 3 months in advance. Bookings can be made in the Paris Disney app.
Welcome to Sydney, Australia, through the world of Finding Nemo. This brings us to Crush's Coaster, another popular Disney Paris ride. The wait time for this ride definitely adds up throughout the day, so I would recommend going early or getting a fast pass.
Fish are friends, not food.
Crush's Coaster is another must when visiting Disney Paris. The ride is less thrilling roller coaster compared to the Avengers Assemble, but it does spin, so be cautious if you get motion sick easily.
And that leaves us with the updates of the parks. Disney Paris is getting an upgraded Downtown Disney, Land of Arendelle, and many more add-ons, which can be seen in these photos. That is it for our Disney Paris Adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't seen part 1 or part 2 yet, they are linked in the description below.